Hello everyone, welcome to Developers Adda. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. In this video, we will see how to send Gmails using Python. That is, we are using Python SMTP library module to send the messages. We'll see how to do that. Open any Python IDE or editors. I'll be using Jupyter. The first part is importing the library. Okay, first type import SMTP, importing the module. Import SMTP library module. This will import the SMTP library module from the Python package, and then you need to create an input for entering the Gmail address. Gmail address equals to input. Enter your Gmail address. Okay, enter your Gmail address. Then you need to take the input for password. Okay, password equals to input. Enter your password. Then you need to create an input for entering receiver's Gmail ID, that is, okay, send to input, enter, okay, receiver's Gmail address. Then finally to enter the message equals to input, enter your message. Enter your message. Okay, these 4 lines of code will ask you to enter the Gmail address and your password and your receiver's Gmail ID and then message. Now you need to create a SMTP server. Let's see how do we create that. Mail server equals to SMTP library dot SMTP. Type smtp.gmail.com. smtp.gmail.com, and here you need to add the port ID for this server. The port ID for the server is 587. Just enter the same, and then you need to start the server. Mail server dot start TLS. This will start the server. And the next part is you need to implement login and send mail functions using the server you created. Okay, just type mail server dot login. You need to pass 2 arguments. The first one is your Gmail address and then your password. Okay, I'll be passing Gmail address and then my password. Okay, then create mail server dot send mail. In this you need to pass Gmail, you need to pass your Gmail address, then receiver's Gmail ID, that is send to, and finally the message. Okay, and then you need to close the server. Mail server dot quit. Before sending Gmails from your Gmail ID, you need to give access for less secure app. We'll see how do we do that. I'll just open another tab. This is my Google account. Okay, this is the account which I'll be using to send the messages, and just click on manage your Google account, then security. Okay, scroll down. Okay, you will be able to see less secure app access. Just click on this and you need to turn on this. It's already turned on, and I'll go to the coding part and the program. I'll just run the program. Yeah, okay, name input. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay, in the first line. I'll just correct this and I'll run it again. Yeah, now it's correct. jitkarvi21@gmail.com. Then enter my password. Okay, I'll enter python at python 12. Okay, I'll be changing the password later. Yeah, receiver's Gmail ID. I'll enter the receiver's Gmail ID. This is receiver's Gmail ID, and I'll press enter. Okay, enter the message. Okay, I'll enter the message now. Hello, this is sent from Python. Sent from Python. Okay, I'll enter. It's processing. It's running. Yes. Yeah, the mail has been sent successfully. Okay, I'll check my mail whether I have received the mail or not. Yeah, I'll just open another tab. Let's go for mail. Gmail. And my account. Yeah, this is my account. Yeah, now you can see I have received a message from this mail. Yeah, the message is same. Hello, this is sent from Python. Yeah, we have successfully sent a message from Python now. And now we will see how to send it to multiple Gmail IDs simultaneously. In some cases, we are required to send the same message for multiple Gmail IDs. We'll see how do we do that. You just change this and add array list. Okay, list of the Gmail IDs which you want to send. Okay, I'll add 2 IDs at gmail.com. Okay, karvisuji66 at gmail.com, and I'll add my another ID. Okay, Sujit Kharvi at gmail.com. Let's see how whether this works or not, and let's print. Okay, print message sent successfully. Okay, message sent successfully. And okay, I'll just pass. I'll remove this send to, and I'll just add array. Okay, I'll just pass these arrays into this, and I'll run this. Yeah, enter your Gmail address. I enter my Gmail address, Sujit Kharvi 21 at gmail.com. Listen, and my password 12, and okay, enter the message. Okay, I'll enter, hey, this is from Python. This is from Python. Okay, this is from Python. Yeah, I'll enter. It's running. Yes, message sent successfully. Let's check whether I have received a mail or not. I'll just open mail. Yeah, this is my mail ID. I have received, hey, this is from Python. This is one account, and I'll go to another account. I'll go to this account. Yeah, I have received the mail. Okay, now you have seen that I have received the mail in both the accounts. Okay, this is how we send it to multiple accounts.